back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. In this video, I am sharing 5 different work from home jobs that are hiring right now in 2024. One of them is for my Canadian folks. The rest are for United States only. One of them is hiring up to 7 different people. We're going to dive all into it. I just want to quickly ask for your help. When I am doing these job lead videos with multiple jobs in it, sometimes I find it very hard to title them due to the fact of there's so much information and I can't fit it all in 100 characters in the title. And to make it searchable on YouTube, I do need to have like work from home or work from home jobs in the title somewhere that takes up part of those characters. So if you have any suggestions or ideas on how you would like to see these videos titled, I'm always looking for feedback. Things that would help you, because this channel is all about helping you find the best work from home job for you. And the goal of 2024 is to have everyone working from home living their happiest, healthiest life. And of course, if you enjoy job leads like this, you can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home. First up, we have the company Wex. Now, I shared Wex on this channel multiple times before over the last 2 years. I have had viewers that have been hired for Wex. They have 878 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an operations specialist. This is going to be full-time remote for the United States only. But they're looking for somebody to process and reconcile contributions to plan setup, closing, and flexible savings accounts, health reimbursement arrangements, and health savings accounts for their members. So this is going to be kind of like in the healthcare role. You're going to meet service level agreements, completing setup of the employer plans. You'll review these plans, making sure they're set up correctly, processing any plan changes, and completing a planned year closing, just processing closures of accounts, contribution checks to accounts, making sure that those payments are posted, identifying any request where the consumers needs different transfers or distributions on their account, and just completing all the different account functions and moving money around, things like that. They don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who's proficient in using a computer, great communication skills, can be detail oriented, has great investigation skills. Pay is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $21 an hour. Next up, if you're in Canada, this one is for you. Procurify has 82 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support advocate. You're going to be working a lot with chat and email with this one, but they're looking for somebody who is tech savvy, curious, and an empathetic person who has a passion for helping the customer. You'll do all the inbound technical support questions through chat, email, and video conferencing calls when needed. Your goal is basically to provide an effortless user experience. You'll follow through with each day with each customer from problem to solution, never settling until you find a solution for the customer. You'll schedule those video conference calls when necessary to discuss and walk customers through setup or support questions, but most of this sounds like it's going to be done through chat and email. They are looking for somebody who has some kind of post-secondary education related in business communications or tech support, someone who has 1 to 2 years of customer service experience, someone who's confident in troubleshooting software applications, web and mobile, and of course, someone who is a great communicator. Now, it does say you can work anywhere in Canada, and pay is anywhere from $51,000 a year all the way up to $73,000 a year. But if you're in the United States, that's okay. The rest of these are going to be for you. We have Centrix having 540 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote technical support analyst. Now, pay for this position is $28 an hour all the way up to $33 an hour. And again, with this tech support, you're just identifying, investigating, and resolving technical issues that are escalated from the service desk related to software, hardware, operating systems, and things like this. So it's going to be kind of the same as the Canadian job, although this one is going to be working on the phone. You'll provide quality day-to-day remote end user support, making sure the customers are taken care of, making sure that ticket resolution is timely, making sure you can close those tickets, documenting and tracking any assigned service desk requests to final resolution. Now, this one does require an associate's degree in some kind of IT field and 3 years of technical support. You've got to have experience with Apple iOS devices. You've got to know how to use Microsoft Office suites and be able to multitask and be detail-oriented. But pay for this one is $28 an hour, again, to $33 an hour. They also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Now, this next one has 7 different open positions for the same job. Ciox Health has 1,900 reviews on Glassdoor, a rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars, and they are looking for a remote provider experience specialist. It says they have 7 as the number of openings, and pay for this position is anywhere from $17 an hour to $19 an hour. It is a full-time W-2 employee position, but you're basically doing customer service, answering telephone inquiries from providers' offices, internal teams, and market line calls. You'll manage these inbound and outbound phone calls professionally and in a timely manner, just helping with anything that they need, assisting with pushbacks, escalated groups, and special projects when needed, building relationships with assigned medical providers, helping with medical charts on behalf of the client. You'll handle any scheduling issues with the provider's offices. You'll handle the release status of health plans and medical records. Just being a team player. Now, they are going to give you call scripts to use when you are working with these medical providers to talk to them, asking them to send in charts and different retrieval methods, including fax, mail. So they'll kind of give you a guideline of what to say. You won't have to go in completely off the top of your head. They're only requiring a high school diploma or GED and 6 months experience with scheduling or customer service. Now, they do want somebody who has a great attention to detail, can know medical terminology, has strong communication skills, and can work in a fast-paced environment. And again, pay for this one is $17 to $19 an hour. Now, next up, we have Zillow. As you know, Zillow has been shared a lot here lately. They are ramping up their remote hiring in 2024. They have 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. And today they are looking for an accounts receivable specialist. So they're looking for somebody to help with all operational aspects of their accounts receivable, cash applications, and accounts related to allowances for bad debt, sales allowances, and things like that. You'll focus on driving lower AR balances from business to businesses. You'll prioritize portfolios of high value accounts, making sure that they have timely payment and resolution on those accounts, handling all issues in a timely manner, and supplying immediate resolution. So you're going to conduct regular financial health assessments, collaborate with the sales team, implement customized collection strategies, making sure you collect money on behalf of Zillow, just analyzing financial documents and billing information, identifying any errors or discrepancies, and resolving those errors immediately. They do prefer somebody who's a bachelor degree in finance, accounting, business, or related field, but it's not required. So if you have a lot of accounts related experience, you might be okay with this one. They do require at least 3 years of experience in collections in a high growth industry. Somebody who has the ability to work independently and take initiative. So you're a self-starter, you can solve problems, and you have great communication, and you have some negotiating skills. Now, Zillow does always seem to pay very well. Pay for this position is $24.90 an hour, all the way up to $37.30 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.